quite an eye-opener. I just felt like it really opened up a lot of thoughts. So for me, the what was very interesting, and actually it really clarified a lot of things, was the learning strategies which you talked about with L&D on day one. The calendar training, how it's done, and ad hoc training, which is need-based. I was always very confused about that. So that's the first one. Then the second one I felt was extremely important was the proactive, when you're meeting with the client, the proactive be the steps which we need to follow. What was the work that we need to do and the preparation which we need to do? That was very important for me. And of course, the concept note, the approach note, training report, and the negotiation piece, because I'm always struggling with that. So basically the whole program.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ganesh.